Hey guys, welcome back to another day, another vlog with me and Oli or Campervan. It's Carwash day today, a little bit of makeover, another topic that I would like to share with you, so please follow along. In the previous video, I mentioned about installing a 200 watt solar panel, having a solar charge controller, and investing in a solar battery. Now this is actually one of the main reasons why.
Good luck. Ayaw umandar, ayaw din mag-charge. So that means our solar panel is really not sufficient para makapag-provide ng charge dito sa ating battery. So, wala. Hindi
And this actually happened during my first solo campervan adventure in one of the beach resorts, only here in the province of Capiz.
Another feature that I added in our campervan is this multifunctional cooker from Hode. And this guy right here is really helpful because since this is an inverter, I think about 1000 watts inverter. So I can definitely use this multifunctional cooker because it's only 450 to 600 watts. So this is 1000 watts.
These fans and lights are also powered by our solar electricity. Keeping the campervan neat and tidy on the outside is another thing that I would always do after camping outdoor.
Alright guys, so I have this. Ayan, ito yung wallpaper na anti-fire and then water resistant as well. I plan to place it on the desk or on the side table that we have here in our campervan, but then my husband did not agree with that, so I decided to just attach it right here. As what you can see, ito yung mga watermark. Kasi usually kapag umuulan, may tumutulo talagang tubig right on this part. Okay guys, look at this area. This is wet. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman yan. And I think dito siya galing. Ayan. Diyan siya galing. So this is our wire connecting the battery to the solar panel. Ayan. So yeah, I hope this will somehow help para hindi mabilis masira itong plywood that we attach here. This is what's gonna happen. What do you think about the design? It's colorful though. At least malilesen yung absorption ng water na galing dun sa tulo. Alright guys, this is all done. Nadikit na natin yung water resistant and heat resistant na wallpaper. It's not that good though, pero it's better than nothing. Ayan. Now it's protected.
By the way, other than the solar power system that I talked about earlier, I want to talk about creativity in vlogging as well. You see, I used to mix things up from different angles, POV shots, and voiceovers. And that is to connect with you guys and keep my vlogs interesting. Even in my previous videos, I try to be as creative as I can be. But having the right gear really makes a big difference. It's such a total game changer. just like this new camera, which I'm going to tell you in the next vlog.